Tesla has officially managed to quietly settle a massive, highly watched lawsuit deeply connected to a truly tragic, highly publicized, fatal 2023 crash that directly involved a Tesla vehicle actively using the company's incredibly controversial, highly scrutinized advanced driver assistance system, which is widely known as full self-driving, or simply FSD. The massive financial news organization Bloomberg was actually the very first to break the highly significant report regarding the quiet legal settlement. As is extremely common in these highly sensitive, massive corporate legal matters, the exact financial terms of the settlement were completely not disclosed to the public. This highly emotional, deeply tragic lawsuit was originally filed directly against the massive automaker Tesla and the actual driver of the vehicle by the grieving daughter of Jonah Story. Frana was a completely innocent, 71-year-old woman who was tragically struck and instantly killed by a massive Tesla Model Y. Plus, what makes this story so incredibly heartbreaking is that Jonah was literally only hit because she had bravely stepped completely out of her very own vehicle to safely direct busy traffic around another minor crash that had actually occurred much earlier strictly due to extreme, blinding sun glare. The massive federal regulator known as the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or simply the NHTSA, completely stepped in and officially opened a massive, highly detailed investigation into Tesla's heavily scrutinized FSD supervised automated driving software back in the year 2024. This massive federal probe was directly triggered after 4 highly concerning, thoroughly reported severe crashes uniquely occurring in highly dangerous, severely low visibility weather conditions, which absolutely included the deeply tragic incident involving Jonah Story. PROS and HT/SA explicitly stated at the exact time of the probe that it was aggressively investigating the highly controversial driver assistance systems, specifically to find out whether the complex software could actually accurately detect and respond completely appropriately to severely reduced roadway visibility conditions, specifically explicitly listing dangerous factors exactly such as intense sun glare, extremely thick fog, or highly blinding airborne dust. That highly initial investigation was eventually significantly upgraded in March 2026 to an incredibly serious, highly rigorous formal engineering analysis. In that incredibly damning official report, the massive federal agency explicitly wrote that the highly available incident data directly raise massive, highly severe concerns that Tesla's specific degradation detection system, SUC, examining both how it was originally deployed to the public and how it was later subsequently updated via patches, completely fails to accurately detect and/or explicitly warn the human driver appropriately under severely degraded visibility conditions, precisely such as intense glare and thick airborne obscurance. While this totally undisclosed massive financial settlement officially ends the grieving family's highly emotional civil lawsuit against the automaker, this absolutely massive, incredibly significant upgraded and HTSI federal investigation has totally not yet been officially closed. What is massively at stake right now for Tesla regarding this highly intense ongoing federal investigation is a massive host of potentially highly damaging, completely massive possible outcomes, absolutely including the massive threat of a highly costly, deeply embarrassing mandatory federal recall. The massive federal agency also previously opened another totally separate, highly massive investigation directly into the FSD software back in October 2025, directly after shockingly receiving numerous highly terrifying reports from drivers claiming the advanced software literally caused the heavy vehicles to completely run through red lights or dangerously cross entirely into the wrong lane of oncoming traffic.